This is exactly how to fix your Hello Blink sticker maker not connecting to Bluetooth. So what we need to do firstly is to actually close the app here, and instead we're gonna go to the settings app on our phone. And then on the settings app, I'm just gonna go back to the first page here. As you can see, just scroll down and click on apps right here and search for app, search for the Hello Blink, and sometimes it's just gonna be called sticker maker as well, just so you know, but just click on the app. And now what you need to do is to click on this wireless data here, as you can see, and make sure that it's set to VLAN and mobile data here, and that the Bluetooth here as well is turned on, of course. So make sure that that one is working. And on your mobile as well, I'm just gonna go back here once again. On your mobile here, click on Bluetooth and make sure that this one is connected as well, of course. Now what you need to do is to power on your Hello Blink sticker maker by clicking exactly right here, as you can see. So make sure to power it on. And then we're gonna go back to the sticker maker app here. I'm just gonna go back to it real quick here. So click on the app and then click on set up your printer. If you don't see it right here, click on the guide here, and then click on Bluetooth and then connect to it once again. And basically that is exactly how to actually fix this issue.